Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders. Once again from London, where we went to Harrods today and did some shopping. Good evening, traders. Welcome to the 2831st edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, remember the risk behind this game. It is a risky game. Never trade without stops. Put them in first before you get into a position. This video is coming at you on a Thursday night trading Friday. That would be November 22nd, 2024. Or if you're from the UK, it would be 22/11/2024. However you want to look at that, it's November 22nd. Traders, all right, so what's going on out there? The Omni has flipped finally. I knew that hat trick of 3 days of neutral meant something was coming. Boom, we get buy signals for tonight into tomorrow, so Thursday night into Friday. Your mini Dow, look at it. I mean, it looks great right here, as you can see. Gets above that average again, and when it does, you get a nice rally, right? Last time you got down to the average and it held. Nice rally through the average, nice rally, hits the average, and another nice rally is ensuing. So now we can buy the dips in E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, and or Russ. We'll see where we can get a fill. Gold is starting to look pretty glittery out there as well. But then there's always this madman. Look at Bitcoin. It has just gone crazy. We're trading up in the 98 area. And when I get back to my desk in Vegas, I'll fashion a new target and we'll see what comes up. So, off the doing some abstract analysis without doing that hardcore stuff I do, we're looking at the 104 area minimum. And then we'll see what happens there, 104,000. But that's not me doing my projection with the Omni. That was just short term. I looked at it for an hour. That's what I seen. I'll do my projections when I go home and see where Bitcoin is going next. But look what it did. It broke out of this long channel that we spoke about forever and ever and ever, came back down and tested it. That's when you know it's good to go. And boom, hits the 85,000 target and bam, up to 98,000 so far. So we'll see where that's going to go. Ethereum, I can promise you this. You can't have Bitcoin run away too far and get too expensive so that the average person can't even afford to go near a piece of a Bitcoin without Ethereum starting to run. Bitcoin's nearing 100,000 per coin. Ethereum's $3,800. You can see what's going on here. Now, there is one thing I will say about Ethereum. I've got a joke that natural gas, all right, so natural gas we get out of the ground almost for free when we're shaling for crude. And if you have a storage facility for it, it's very inexpensive to get because it's almost a free byproduct of shelling for something different called crude oil. Then you've got silver. Silver is a byproduct of mining for copper and zinc and aluminum and all sorts of things, and gold too. You get silver. So gold has gone up since I started my career in the 1982 zone. Gold was $265. Gold's gone to $2,682. Silver was trading 31 when I hit the trading floor. Silver is trading $30.94 today. So what I say about Ethereum is the natural gas of the crypto, just like silver is the natural gas of the metals. So Ethereum, crypto, right? You got your Bitcoin going pam, 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 and Ethereum just sitting there. Same thing happened for my entire career with gold and silver. So I call Ethereum the natural gas of crypto, like we call silver the natural gas of metals. But Ethereum will have to go if Bitcoin continues higher, just as if, let's say, gold went to 4,000, silver will not stay at 30. So eventually it will have to go up, even though a lot of it comes out of the ground for free in silver. Ethereum will have to go up because many people will not be able to afford its big brother, which is Bitcoin. So that's what I have for you for now. Buying dips in the indices, watch out for gold holding, and Bitcoin is going through the roof. I'll come up with a target when I can. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and share these videos. It would really help me help others around the world and get the view count up. puts us in the algorithms, and that helps more people view us. So please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And then remember, come down to livewithoscar.com and join me in my free live trading room. I'll be traveling on Friday, but I'll be back in my seat Sunday night in Vegas for the foreseeable future. I hope to see you there. Last but not least, remember this: stops are in emotions are rock and roll traders. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the good old USA in paradise, Las Vegas, in no time at all. Thanks for tuning in.